welcome to my channel Adventures in my Philippines. So I'm here right now at Molo Plaza, which I'm going to show you the places here, especially in this time. It's 4 to 5 a.m. until 6 a.m. There's so many people because so happy Sunday, because today is Sunday, so people are just going to the church. So this is their church here at Molo Plaza. Here guys. So I'm going to Okay Okay here, the thrifting and the clothes where you can buy and look around and cheap clothes, which is very affordable prices. Like, let's go guys with my friend, best friend. Let's go.